Question number 25. In an experiment, a stationary wave is formed on a string stretched horizontally between two fixed points. So you have two fixed points. Between this, there's a stationary string over here. A stationary wave has been set up. At a certain times, the string between the two nodes is horizontal with all points having zero displacement. At some point, sometimes what happens is all of them are having zero displacement. This is possible. A is possible. Each point on the string between two antinodes has an oscillation of the same amplitude. Each point on the string between two antinodes. What is two antinodes? This is one antinode. This is the other antinode. Okay. Each point on the string between two antinodes, which is one antinode here, other antinode here, between any two antinodes over here, each of them is having different displacements. But what does it say? It is having different same amplitude. This is incorrect. Number of nodes is equal to number of antinodes. Definitely no. For example, here you see 1, 2, 3 antinodes are there, but there are only two antinodes. So this is wrong. Two adjacent antinodes oscillate in phase. That's also incorrect. Reason is because you see, if this is your this one, and then if this is your straight line and this is your antinode like this, it's like this over here. So if this particles over here corresponding to this antinodes are vibrating like this, the particles for this antinode are vibrating downwards over here. So adjacent antinodes will always vibrate in the opposite directions. So therefore this is also incorrect. So therefore A is the right answer.